Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. कैसे हो आप लोग? I hope you guys are well and good and I am good as well. And welcome to my graduation vlog. Yes, I am graduating my MBBS finally after so many years of hard work and a lot of hassle and so many sleepless nights. Here we are. This is the day. Yes. अभी सुबह के 8 बज रहे हैं. I just finished my coffee and I'll be doing some extra household chores, whatever is left, prepping my bag, prepping my dress, and then I'll reveal my dress later. And then I'll by around 10 a.m. and then by around 10 a.m. I'll be heading towards my makeup artist, which I have booked for today. So later you stay in the vlog and I'll keep you updating whatever happens, and let's have fun together. See you. So I'm ready prepping my skin and now I'm gonna do my nails. It's just press on, so I'm not good with it, but let's see how far I can go with it. And after that I'll be going to the makeup artist. It's 9:30 already.
And by the authority vested upon me,
honor and privilege to present to you 77 candidates for graduation.
Madesh Yaman, Andhra Pradesh, India. Dr. Pallavi Nayan, parents, Mr. Rabindra Prasad, Miss Nita Singh, Bihar, India.
Do solemnly pledge to abide the rules and regulations Alumni Association. Congratulations and welcome to the Amic PCCM Alumni Association.
So before this chapter ends, let's take one last walk down the memory lane. From strangers in a foreign country to doctors with unforgettable memories, what a beautiful journey it has been. Here's to every one of us. May this be the beginning of something beautiful ahead. That's it for the blog. Thank you so much everyone for watching till the end. See you. Bye bye.